Hey guys, Flip Man here. So our next Airbnb is coming up. We're out in Mesa. We got a dog in there, but he's friendly, so we should be good. But just want to take you guys in and show you what it looks like before we start our next project. Was this the guy? So they like the Coors Light.
Yeah, and cigarettes.
And I mean, we could talk about the smoke smell.
And cigarettes?
Cigarettes is, yeah, it's got potential in the backyard. Looks like good old faithful was up on the pool table, the dog. Definitely need a new garage door. That's from. Whoa, broke. Not sure what happened, but that's good. Good test. So again, what are you doing? You want to be in the video? So the whole kitchen will be updated. We'll be knocking the wall down, doing the whole kitchen over. It's a 2-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, right, Kim?
Yep.
This master bedroom is pretty big here, but the home will need about 50 to 60, I'd say. It needs just about everything. Thankfully, the roof looks good, the AC looks good. We'll be redoing all the showers, all the flooring, all the vanities, all new paint, possibly new windows, new doors. This is the 2nd bedroom over here. I don't think we're gonna keep the snake in the deal. Definitely got a smell of smoke and cigarettes, so some clean paint and everything that will freshen it up. There's the 2nd bathroom there. Got some mismatched tile here. So this is the formal living room, sitting room. We always like the open floor concept, so we're gonna open up that wall to the kitchen and then redesign the kitchen. The dryer in here, he moved it out there.
Okay. It is out there now.
But this whole wall is gonna come down anyway.
And then you're gonna have to do the stove somewhere else, right?
Maybe an island in the middle. What happened here?
You could do that. He redid it.
He did it himself?
Yeah. He said he was gonna finish it, but what would you do with it?
I mean, I don't know. You just have to put the drywall back up and.
Because it's still a nice window.
Yeah, the window looks good.
Yeah.
What was he trying to? What did he do? Just put the new window?
Yeah,
or?
he put the new window in.
Okay.
I guess he just didn't finish it.
So sometimes, guys, we have these do-it-yourself projects, and again, obviously this previous homeowner tried to do quite a few on his own and never completed them or didn't do them right. So this line up here is, looks like a hose from the spigot, and obviously we gotta rework that when we get in and close on it. Things that aren't done properly that have to be done properly before we launch the Airbnb. We got this little Jimmy plug up there for the pool table. This is a nice room for the pool table, but again, we'll redo this whole room here. Great bones, but just a lot of work, so definitely stay tuned and we'll be sharing the process. We'll be letting him actually, after closing, we're gonna let him lease it back for 1 month. I do that sometimes. It allows us to get in the properties, even if they do have tenants or they want to lease after we close. I'm open to that, but there is a way to go about that. So if you guys have questions on lease backs or whatever with previous owners, definitely hit me up and I could share the good, the bad, and the ugly of what needs to be documented with letting them stay in the property that you buy. When did the previous owner?
He doesn't know.
I don't think it's like it.
It's original? We can glance at it. It might have the date on it.
Well, it's right there. Isn't that the AC up there?
I think there's one on the side.
Ah, in front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go around. Let's go look at it.
See how they ran that
Exactly.
into the house?
Why do they do that?
I've never seen it like that.
I've seen it before.
I've seen it up top, but not like.
Yeah.
But this is a beautiful unit.
I thought it looks it doesn't look that old.
Yeah, it's a good size.
On there.
This one is 2014.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah,
we're in good shape.
Yeah, he said it wasn't too old.
Awesome. So AC, roof, electrical, plumbing, those are your major costs that you got to look for when you're buying rental projects. Those all add up, and even though we don't have those here, we're still going to spend about 50 to 55 to get this back up in shape. That is just to show it some love. It's been neglected over the years, so we're definitely excited to show you guys the process. So stay tuned, and this is our Mesa golf course property.